In today's video, I am going to teach you how to take notes in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable system that's easy to maintain and fast to use. Start by organizing your pages with clear headings. Type /. Then heading 3 to create your main topics. This level is bold enough to stand out without overwhelming the page. Under each heading, add indented subtopics using nested bullets or toggles so your ideas form a neat hierarchy. This structure makes it easier to scan, revise, and expand later. To keep details out of the way until you need them, use toggle lists. Type /, then toggle, and place definitions, examples, or long explanations inside. You can collapse these while studying to quiz yourself, or expand them when you are reviewing. This keeps your pages tidy and helps you focus on the essentials. For key points you never want to miss, add callout boxes. Type /, then callout, and use these to highlight takeaways, important formulas, or quick summaries at the end of a section. They act like visual anchors, so your eyes land on what matters most. Next, centralize everything with a master notes database. Create a new database and add properties like date, tags, and status. Tags might include meeting, project, or study, and status can track where a note stands, such as draft or final. With these properties, you can sort by date, filter by tags, and quickly find exactly what you need. To capture ideas fast, add a quick notes button to your dashboard. Configure it to add page to your notes database. Set defaults like today's date and a starting status so you can open a blank, properly tagged note in one click. This is perfect for meetings or on-the-fly thoughts. Within the database, create templates for recurring notes. Build layouts for meeting notes or lecture notes with preset sections like agenda, action items, and summary. Templates keep your format consistent and reduce setup time, so you can focus on content. Install the Notion Web Clipper to save articles and web pages straight into your notes database. Choose the destination, add tags on the spot, and you'll never lose useful references again. On your dashboard, add a /linked view of database to display only recent or active notes. Apply filters for status or date and sort by most recent. This gives you a focused, at-a-glance workspace. Finally, keep everything categorized using select properties. Label notes by subject or project. Then filter your database views to match your current context. Thanks for watching.